Melanie Corey.
And George Murad bringing you the rundown with Red Door Metro. Many people ask, how are we getting our sellers way more than the market? How are our sellers selling their home for more than their neighbors? And that's the Red Door Metro advantage. We bring so much to the table, and we're going to go into a little bit detail on what we do. One of the first things is going into the home and really looking at it from a buyer's perspective. I got a finance degree, and I'm telling you, I wish I got a psychology degree, because it's all about how they feel when they walk through the home, right or wrong?
Yeah, it's all psychological, really.
So a lot of times we'll go through the home looking at it from the perspective of the buyer. And a lot of times little tweaks within the home can really change that perspective for the buyer. We can also help you in doing several updates where you spend $1 and you get 3 back. That's what we call a good investment in order to maximize your bottom line. Now, recently we've helped several different sellers, but there's one in particular that I think Melanie is most proud of. One that we had over in Falls Church. We helped the couple and the family transition from their existing home into a new construction in the area. And while selling their existing home, broke every record. But Melanie, you want to tell me a little bit about that story?
Okay, first off, I'm proud of all the homes I sell. But this one in particular, was really nice. We went in, we used their furniture that they had, and we just, came in with a few knickknacks, made it feel like a model home. The first impression for a buyer is everything. You can sell a home just with the smell when you walk in, and that foyer.
Is that why you bring all those little things that smell good? I always wondered.
You have candles and little foo-foo stuff, just really accentuate the home as much as possible.
Giving that thing. So what happened in the result within that neighborhood? What did you end up doing for those sellers?
We ended up, not just for the sellers, but the neighborhood in general, we brought up the value of everyone's home. We ended up selling $101,000 over ask price.
So folks, there is a difference. A lot of people say realtors are all the same, but there is a big difference. Right now, market is crazy. Probably if you put your home on the market yourself, you probably will sell it. When you put your market with us, when you put your home on the market with us, it's how much more are you going to sell it for. That's the Red Door Metro advantage.
Just a quick statistic.
Go for it.
We sell about 106% over ask price, correct?
Exactly. Where right now the normal market is about 98.9. So, 6% above what the normal asking is kind of covers a lot of your costs when selling a home, and that's the difference with the agent. What also helps out is, even if you're not selling a home, you live in a neighborhood. That is your asset.
Yep.
That equity in that home is your asset, and most people, that's how they build their wealth, is through the home that they live in. So if you know of a neighbor trying to sell a home or a family member, the best thing that you could ever do to them is refer them to us so we can help them. And you being the neighbor, guess what that's going to do to your equity in your home? Only go up. Okay? That's the difference. So, if you want to have more information on what our advantages are when we're selling the home, please contact either Melanie or I. And as always, thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better living.